Holders, it's time the beginning of a huge pump, guys. From yesterday, Cardano changes are going positive in the market, and I believe, guys, it is the beginning of huge pump, guys. As I told you guys in my previous videos that Cardano higher possibilities that at the last of September Cardano price will pump, guys. So now it is the last of September and Cardano changes are now positive. You can see the positive 11.27% positive changes occur from yesterday. So guys, now the price start pumping, guys. Congratulations to all of you. And guys, please click the subscribe button right now for more update and price prediction video for all of you guys. Anyways, guys, now the right now price of Cardano in the market is about 2.28 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Cardano in the market, guys. Furthermore, if you study the price changes, so now the last 1 hour change is about positive 1.22%, the last 1 day change is positive 11.27%, but the last 1 week change is a negative 8.47%. Guys, the last 1 week change is very soon, very soon, guys. I think from yesterday, tomorrow the last 1 week change will also become positive, guys. So it takes time because from yesterday price start pumping, guys. Oh my god, that is last 1 day price chart, and just look here. I think it's time to celebrate, guys. You can see here really that is last 1 day and positive changes occur, positive 11.23%. And I think you can see the currently price of Cardano is the highest price. The right now price of you can see now 2.29 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Cardano, and that is the right now price. So I'm very happy to see this positive pump of Cardano. Hope you like this video, hope you enjoying. Guys, click the subscribe button for this kind of update videos.